Metals traded bullish yesterday. We have seen gold moving towards 2658 levels, the next resistance zone, as we have discussed, while silver has shown a very good recovery and has hit the 3150 levels, close to 3150 levels, the crucial milestone which it needs to break. What to expect today from gold and silver, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels where you can take a trade with profit, trade with confidence. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. If you look at the movement for gold on the hourly chart, see this is the rise and this is how it has been trading. This is a nice sideways channel. You can see the moving averages are almost running parallel. What has happened after a good rise? It is retraced. It is now taking the support and trying to recover. Once again, if you see it is staying above 2652, you can buy. Expect it to move towards 2658-60 levels and then 2664. If these two levels are taken, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to a very good rise. How high, how far? See, ideally I will be looking forward to 2676-78 zone, but the intermediate resistance at 2670-72 might also prove out to be a greater one. Thus till 2670-72, at least you have to be careful. Beyond this, more bullishness will prevail. What is happening right now? See, after retracement, it has found the support, trying to recover. Just wait for it to stay above 2652. More bullishness may prevail here. The stochastic is rising. The MACD on the hourly charts has crossed over, and this is showing slight signs of bearishness, but I can also notice that it is almost running flat and near to neutral line. There is lot much of scope on the up and the downside both. So right now it is trading bearish. Wait for a crossover and confirm for a reversal. RSI flat here. Coming to 2 hours, the observation is more or less same. After this drop here, it is trading sideways, and if you look at the larger time frame, you will find this is how it has been trading. Just look at these twin peaks here. You will that the lows and highs are beautifully aligned. Look at these two lows and the highs. Now it is precisely at the median. The highs at around 2676-78. Any point of time gold breaks beyond 2685-88, certainly we are looking at 2700 as well. But right now I will say it is just staying sideways. After this decline, it is staying sideways, and if it breaks here, if it breaks below 2630-2620 zone, a greater correction is on the way. This is also you should keep in mind, because see, after the drop it is trading sideways, and a drop here below 2630-2620 is a sign of a major drop here on the way. The stochastic has dropped already. MACD almost running flat. The RSI is running flat as well. On the 3-hour chart, the observation is more or less same. See the rise, retracement, and now it is trading flat here. From here, a breakout is what you can expect, but right now I can see that after this drop it is trading sideways, and ideally it should look at this way, but I do not expect this to happen. Let's see which direction it takes. And the bearish confirmation, the drop confirmation, the reversal confirmation on the downside is only and only if gold trades below 2630-2620 zone. Till then, do not treat this as bearish. The stochastic has dropped, MACD almost flat, and the RSI is almost flat here. On the 4-hour chart, more similar observation. Look at this candle, one swing candle, and now it is trying to erase the gains, but notice that the bearishness is getting diminished with every move. And now when you see it is staying above 2652, you can expect another round of rise, which can take it towards 2658-60 and then 2664-65. If these two levels are taken, certainly you can expect more bullishness to prevail here. Yes, the stochastic at top, while the MACD and RSI both are running flat. Coming to on the daily charts, remember the moving averages are running flat without any significant divergence. Also, if you look at gold, how it has been trading since last few months, look at this rise, retracement, rise, retracement. See, hitting the highs and the lows in the single move is what we can see here. And if you notice, if you divide this into two, this is how it has been trading. This is the median. Now only bullish confirmation where you can expect gold to hit the highs is if it trades beyond 2720, 2750. These are the two levels it need to break in order to confirm a move towards the top of the channel, which is towards 2900. Right now I can see good support coming in, and only worried about this decline which it has showed, because see, after this decline it is just consolidating, and this time if it breaks on the downside, it is going to be a significant. Now look at the last few trading sessions. Retracement, then the drop, then the retracement, now waiting for it to break out beyond 2652. You can initiate a buying entry, expect 58, 60, 64, and if 64 is taken, then I will be looking forward to 80 and 85 levels. If these levels are also taken, stay bullish. It is going to erase all the losses from this candle. It is in fact going to achieve higher highs, where we may see 27, 20, 27, 50 levels as well. Right now, it is waiting for it to take a direction. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still in green, and the RSI is flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the level, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SEB-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, very simple. Buy at 2652, expect 2658, 60 levels, which is going to be the first target level. Then 2664, 65, then 2671, 72, and then 2678 levels should appear here, breaking beyond which we can expect more bullishness to prevail. I'll expect 2685, then 2700 levels should be there very, very, very soon. Though right now the momentum is missing on the upside, and in fact I do not see the momentum on the downside as well. Thus, it is to be said that it is trading in a narrow zone, and it has to deliver a breakout. On the downside, I'll recommend you to sell here at 2642 levels. Expect 2638, 36 as the first support zone, 2632, 30 as the second support zone, and if it breaks this, then you can expect 26 20 22. Any drop below this complete zone between 26 20 22 and 26 30 32 is a greater support zone. Any drop below 26 20 22 is a sign of a major drop in making, where you can expect it to drop below 2600, 2580, and then 2550 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. See, silver, what it has done, hitting the lows, we have seen it recovering sharp. It has hit the next resistance zone close to 3150, which is a very crucial support resistance zone. Now, after hitting the zone, it is retraced and trying to bounce back up again. And now it is very, very important for it to trade above 3150. Now, 3140, 3150 is indeed a very, very good resistance. I have shared this several times in my recent analysis and in last week as well, that beyond 3150, I will be looking forward to $32 levels directly, and in fact beyond 32, 32.50 and 32.85, $33 levels are also possible. If you look at the hourly charts for silver, look at the formation: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and if you connect the dots, you will find silver is trading in this channel here. The lows of the channel are now towards 3080 levels, while the highs, if it breaks beyond 3150, 3160, is beyond $32 levels. Stochastic has dropped, trying to recover. MACD has crossed over here, and it is on the it is trying to trade on the sell side. See, hitting the lows here, it is bounced back, but I can see it is struggling on the upside as well. Let it give a breakout. See, yes, it can rise more, but right now I can see a bit of a struggle here on the upside. RSI has dropped. Coming to the 2-hour on the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, one single candle retracement, and it could deliver another candle here. Remember, once it trades beyond 3150, 3160, I think we are looking forward to $32 levels. This statement I am still holding on to. Moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence. These are staying bullish, and see this, it is trading in this channel, and thus 3150, 3160 zone you should watch out for. More bullishness may prevail beyond this. While on the downside, it is very, very important to note, now the support levels have shifted up, and 31 and 3080 is the zone it needs to break in order to turn bearish. As long as 31 and 3080 levels are not taken, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. It is not that it cannot rise further, but right now it is convergent and it is willing to cross over for sell. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, And if you connect the dots here, you have to watch out on the upside, specifically beyond 3150, 3160. We are looking forward to a stronger move on the upside. The crossover here in the moving average is a very important observation. Stochastic has dropped a bit, MACD is still in green, and yes, it is still scope for further rise. RSI near to top on the 4-hour chart, similar object. Now remember what's happening, just look at the formation. If you look at the picture here, you will find drop, double bottom, recovery, and this recovery is going to be very, very strong here. Once it trades beyond 31, 3150, 3160 zone, we are looking forward to 32, 3250, and $33 levels, and in fact beyond that is possible. Moving averages are on the verge of a crossover here, and see, this is a good sign for the bulls. These are trading with divergence, again a good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic at the top, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to daily, now look at daily charts. If you look at daily charts, you'll find, see, divide this into two, double bottom levels here at around 2965. Now it has come down to the level which is a greater milestone, greater resistance zone, 3150, 3160 here. Now also remember, now the prices are trading about the 2050 period moving average, which is a good sign. And if you look at the last few sessions, the support levels here at 3050 is very strong. So as long as now it stays above 3050, 3040, we should not be treating this as bearish. Stochastic back to overbought zone, MACD has crossed over here and it is looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. RSI flat. So looking at, I will recommend you to buy here at 3140 levels, expect 3155.60 as the first target, then $32 levels directly it will achieve, with intermediate resistance at 3180. But yes, I will be looking forward to 32, and then beyond that 32.50 and $33 levels should be there very, very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3110 levels, where you can expect 3095, 3075.80, and then 30. If you see it trading below 3060 and specifically below 3040 is where the bears are, where you can expect a single red line and it can deliver a massive drop here. Be mindful of this. Right now the stance is neither bullish nor bearish for silver for the day. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.